those are looking for a CO2 diffuser, check this out. Now this one comes with suction cup, stainless steel, well fabricated. You can see the actual stone there where it's going to diffuse all the air once it goes there. Look at this. It actually fits any kind of entryway, if you guys can see that. So you could thread the system in, or you could actually just slide it in. And of course it has these notches so it could grab onto the actual system. So I'm going to put this to the test right now. We are going to set up our CO2. If you have one, just make sure that you lower down the gas depending on the diffuser. If you have different types of tones, you could actually set this up. So I'm going to put this to a test and see how it looks. All right, currently I have it here. You guys can see that. So we're going to see if we could track my shrimp out there to this. They love bubbles and stuff like that. So we're going to turn it on. And I like the suction cups, so let's go ahead and try it out. Right, there it goes. Perfect. CO2. This is great for plants. Giving that extra boost to growth for your plants.